If you are looking for a compact crossover, then Honda has something for you. Hi everyone, this is Ayman and welcome to Mr. Car Reactions, and today I have another interesting car from the Honda, one of the very reliable cars. This is Honda HR-V. Very beautiful car. I would like to review it because I was actually waiting for reviewing this car. Now let's start my review. Honda HR-V, besides its name of course, is a crossover that has smart design, everyday practicality and a touch of sporty flair. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the benchmark of the efficiency and reliability from a Japanese brand Honda. So starting from the headlights, as you can see, they made it very beautiful and very simple. Day running lights on the top side, and beneath it we have big LED lights, and even it's very thin and looking so modern and as Japanese style, as you can see. I'm sure you noticed the Honda logo getting very huge. You can see here it's very wide and big, kind of glassy with a shiny chrome, so definitely will not confuse it. And we have a grills even very wide and open, and the plate area, and beneath here also we have engine cooling system as well. And about the splitter, actually front splitters, they are looking very good and sporty. Here we have fog lights. Actually they made it 4 of them, 4 small LED lights, and beneath here we have air hole for the wheels, so very practical. Even the side splitter looking so good. It's actually kind of a sedan sporty look, not even the compact or crossover. As you can see, even from this angle, looking very good. But it's the bumper is just one piece. As you can see, it's very simple. Even the front hood has just a straight line, and from these corners you can see the aerodynamic shape of the front hood. So very looking simple, but in the same time practical. Here we have 2 big wipers, and definitely the front sensors on the top of the windshield. The front wheel actually looking very sporty and nice. Here we have Honda logo, even the piano black and the chrome design of the rim looking good. It's kind of star shape, and you have a big brake discs as well. The tire, actually we have sporty, as you can see it's very thin, and from Yokohama 18-inch tires, so very good looking actually from Yokohama, as you can see. And clearance is very thin, clearance between the wheel and the body is pretty good. Even the mud covers, they decorated with a kind of piano black, looking good. So even the beneath of the door, maybe it will be looking good as sporty, but not that practical. But ground clearance is pretty enough. It's around 19.6, maybe 20 centimeters. About the mirrors, we have very wide and big mirrors, which is decorated with the same color of the car, and very thin turning signals, which is made by LED. But here we don't have actually 360 camera. Maybe it could be a good additional, but the mirrors are very wide and very nice for the size of this car. About the door pillars, they made it with matte black. It's a very nice touch. So the top side, they made it some shiny piano black, but downside again, a matte black. Fuel efficiency 18.2 kilometers per liter, which is pretty good considering the engine and the reliability of this car. And it's not big surprise because all Japanese cars, they are very well known for their efficiency. I love the shape of the rear side, even the top side, the panoramic sunroof looking good, which is black glassy color, giving it more sporty look. Now let's give a close look to the downside of the door. Here they added some shiny chrome to make more sporty look. Even the rear wheels, same decoration. We have here Honda with a star design. Even the brake disc here, they're a little bit smaller considering the front side, but still it's good. We have enough clearance between wheel and body, so for the urban bumps it will be pretty good. About the door handle, it's here. Maybe sometimes it's very difficult to find, but it's actually good considering the aerodynamic shape of the car. But rear side is absolutely beautiful. Actually, it reminds me kind of Porsche cars. So here, starting from the top, we have a shark fin roof antenna and a little bit small spoiler. And here we have matte black, which is giving good looking. And here, of course, on the top, we have a brake lights. The rear view for the driver is pretty good, and we have very wide and big wipers to keep it clean. They gave a coupe design for the rear side of the Honda HR-V. So, but the tail lights kind of, they are reminding me the Porsche design. You can see here we have very beautifully made LED lights. So you can see it's one piece, and here also we have another three small lights. In the center we have Honda logo, which is the same shiny chromy design, and over here you can see it's one piece connected tail lights. Looking good, very simple, practical, and modern. Here you have a rear camera and the space for the plate number, HRV logo on the left side. And from this angle, I would love to show you, we have reflectors, rear parking sensors, and very shiny design of the line, which is going all the bumper. And you can see that from downside, this clearance is pretty good. So for getting urban bumps, you will not have any issues. But the downside of the bumper, they colored again with a piano black. You can see they're focusing all downsides to be with piano black to give this car a sporty look. Because in the beginning of my review, I mentioned that they're actually focusing on the sporty flair. Now, about the entrance, first of all, here we have a keyless entrance, and as we open the door, though it's compact crossover, but still you have very wide windows, so your view will be very good. I love the plastic design here. This part is a very nice, and touch is very soft. You have very big solid door handles, which is a chromy design, and again, the same chromy lines going down. Here you have physical buttons to control all your mirrors, central lock, and windows, which is also decorated with the piano black. Small storage area and armrest area is very nice and soft. Beneath here we have storage area and cup holder as well. Above speakers, Honda HRV comes with 6 speakers, very wide and nice. And beneath of the door they added some mud cover to keep your clothes clean, especially when you're getting in or out, and keep the inside side of the body of the car also clean. So you can see entrance is very good. Here actually we have the plastic, so it's very easy to keep it clean. Driver's seat actually comes with manual and very solid and nice leather covered seats, pretty good. It's hugging also, you can see from this angle, and even the headrest, the kind of squarey design, pretty nice. Now let's get in and give a close look to the other details of the interior of this beautiful crossover. So how about the interior? Interior of Honda HR-V actually is very nice. Even it's a coupe shape, but still you have plenty of space. You can see I have plenty of headroom, and even the front of me, I would love to show you from this angle. I have the panoramic sunroof only for the front passengers, and it's very wide and nice. Everything is on its place, very simple, reliable, easy to control. Let me show you now. I have a 3-stroke steering wheel in front of me. As you can see in the center, they made Honda logo, and on the right side you have all cruise control buttons, physical buttons, which is very nice touch. And the left side you can control your media. For sure the touch is very good, and beneath here also you can control the calling systems. And the old decoration is made with a kind of a piano black to give also again a sporty look. The grip is very good. I love the circle design of the steering wheel, very practical. The drive information screen is analog, in the between with a small digital screen, as you can see. Looking good, still as a old-fashioned. And we have all physical stalks for the wiper and the light levels. And you have actually gear shifters on the behind of the steering wheel. Top side of the dashboard made with a plastic. And here I have big Econ vent for the driver, and even you can change the level of the fan from this side. Very good and practical. This again soft touch, I like it. And here also they're mentioning that you can turn on actually a blind spot, but I'm not sure because I didn't see the indicator. And steering wheel can be adjusted manually, very practical and easy. And you have big pedals for the acceleration and brakes. Actually they are aluminum, so pretty sporty flair again from the Honda. And here you have physical buttons for the parking sensors and stability control, and small storage area maybe for the coins over here. Also you can open the hood and the fuel tank by using these buttons. Very easy to find. How about the other details? First of all, I have plenty of actually leg room. You can see it's very wide and nice, though it's a compact crossover. So inside it's a lot of space. And start-stop engine located here is kind of very difficult to find or even to reach. Maybe they could put it in somewhere more visible. Here I have 8-inch infotainment screen. Even the buttons kind of in the passenger side. Maybe it could be better if they put it in the driver's side, or maybe they said that passenger should control all media and driver should focus on the driving. And here we have two big Econ vents and another Econ vent on the corner for the passenger. And here you have very big emergency button, physical and solid buttons to control the media and AC, fan, everything is good. And on the top of it, you can see we have a small, thin digital screen. Here you have one USB-C and other front side for passenger, and other USB-C charging spots. Very good grippy, let's say, storage for the mobile. And down here, actually, you have wireless charging spot here. You can see even you can turn it on and off. So very practical and very good option actually. Even the gear stick is very good. So here we have a button and actually about the gearbox, it's a CVT, and you can see all driving modes. I love the soft touch of the leather. They cover it with a also piano black to give sporty look. You can choose even economic driving mode and hill assist, electric handbrake, auto hold, two cup holders, and I love the touch of the armrest. Okay, let's open and see. So inside you have good space. It's not that deep, but still you have enough place for small items. How about the front passenger side? So as you can see, we have in the corner again Econ vent. Also, you can control the fan level, and very wide glove box, soft opening glove box, very deep. So you have plenty of space, no doubt. Just let me know in the comments what's missing in this interior. So for the mirror, you have actually auto dimming mirrors, a very good option, and you have physical buttons to control the lights over here, and you have big speaker as well. So about the sun visors, they come with a mirror and a small light over here, you can see from this side. Yes, and same option is available for the front passenger because they still kept it covered. I didn't open the sun visors. And on the top of my head, actually, I have the panoramic sunroof, a very good option. And this is the look for the second row, but still we're going to explore it from the inside. So first thing, the door handles. They located in a pretty good place, actually, very good. And as you open the door, we have same kind of very thin but still long windows and same touch of the plastic. But this plastic is a little bit harder comparing to the front side, but still good. We have small speakers here and very solid door handles, very wide and big, and decorated with a chrome design. Very nice touch and soft touch in this part, and same chrome line, and one cup holder. So you can have your physical button to control the window, which is decorated with piano black, small storage area, and armrest area. Very nice, soft. And down here we have another speaker, which is good, and for sure the mat covers from the inside of the door to keep the body of the car clean. But about the storage, here you have only one small cup holder. They didn't add any other storage on downside. The entrance is good, and the downside they covered with the plastic to keep it easy to clean, and very nice and solid soft leather for the rear seats. Very good. You have actually three headrests, as you can see from this angle, two of them wider and one thinner, but still in the center, very good. You have soft made armrest area. You can see even my hands are going deep, and two cup holders with the same color of the seats. So down here we have very easy fixing spots for the child seats. I like it. It's visible and clean. Now let's get in and see about the legroom. So as you can see, as I'm entering, first thing you can notice that I have enough legroom. It's more than enough, and a very nice storage area, very soft. Even the old leather is very soft, so the touch is very comfortable. Same storage area you have on other side as well. Interesting part that actually this part is going deep inside, which creates extra space for a legroom. Pretty good idea, but top side is coming out, it's fine. So here we have two Econ vents, very nice and easy to control. Beneath it we have two USB-C charging spot and storage area here. And above the floor, it's almost straight, but still middle passenger gonna have enough space for the legroom. So what my thoughts about the second row? First of all, I have around 4 finger headroom, and we have here hand supporters with a small hanger, pretty nice. View is a little bit tight, but still because of the shape of the car's coupe shape is fine. But sitting is position is very good and comfortable. the leather and material they use very soft, even the front side. And about I would love to show you here, just let me know if you know it. Over here there's some buttons. I think you can open or control it. Maybe to open, you can see from this side the panoramic sunroof, so it can be kind of very interesting design to remove the panoramic sunroof or open sunroof for the rear passengers. And I would love to show you another interesting details in front of me. So first of all, here we have lights. There are two of them, and as I mentioned, from this part you can open to create another panoramic sunroof for the second passengers. As a safety features, this car comes with 6 airbags. Also, you can connect your mobile through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to this 8-inch digital screen. So the front dashboard is very simple, practical. What do you think? For the front passenger, as you can see, door comes again with a keyless entrance. As you open door, you will find same decoration, same design as a driver's side, so it's a very good option. And even the front passenger seats comes with a manual adjustable option, and over here you can control it. You have a lot of leg room and even the controller for fan level, so it's very practical. Even airbags visible from here. As I mentioned, this car comes with 6 airbags. And even the side airbags in this corner, yes, and even hugging seats are pretty comfortable for even long rides. Ensure you have enough space to keep your belongings, like here wireless charging and other small storage for mobiles and other small belongings. Overall, it's pretty good. Now about the trunk, because this car which I was reviewing, it was locked. Now I will try to show the other color of the same model. So as we open, for the trunk, this Honda HR V comes with 320 liters of the trunk, and you have 2 hydraulic supporters to keep the tailgates open. Here you have a space to close the trunk gate, and even the wide windows gives pretty good visibility when you're loading your stuff to the trunk. So when we come closer here, it's flat and very straight, so loading your heavy stuff is very easy, and plastic very practical, easy to clean. You have storage area and hanger and the lights and other tying spots behind the seats, and other light on other corner, and another small storage area in the sides. So they're using all space very good. As you can see, it goes straight, but when you fold the rear seats, as it can be folded 60 into 40, you can reach up to 1289 liter of the space. And beneath here, you have actually full size spare tire, so it's a very good. And also you can keep let's say emergency tools on the sides, because actually in the making space, the Japanese are very professional, and they know how to create a lot of space even from the small size of the car. Let me know, what do you think about the trunk of the car? Is it enough space, or it should be bigger than this? But consider that this is crossover and coupe shape. So I will try to open the bonnet. So here you click twice to open the bonnet, but I didn't hear that loud sound, so it means very good. As usual, I will try to test one hand hood opening. Okay, test. So I'm trying to find the lever. I think it was in the corner, but still I couldn't find it. Let me check first. Now, finally, I could open, because it was over here. Sometimes Honda cars, you need to find and know where to press. For the bonnet, as you can see down here, you have heat safety protection on the top of the engine. About the engine, actually what we have here, it's 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder i-VTEC engine, which generates 190 horsepower and 145 Newton meter of the torque. Definitely, it comes with a CVT transmission, front wheel drive. Acceleration is from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. It's in 12.5 seconds, and top speed can reach up to 180 kilometers per hour. Because of this is crossover and compact and a very light car, I think this speed is pretty good. If you are looking for compact crossover with a good looking and reliability, definitely it could be your choice. And thank you for watching and being with me. Don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. I will see you on my next videos.